Hey guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this 2-port USB charger. So let's check it out. Right here, open it up. It's not much to the box itself, it's just the box. Here we got a quick guide. So let's open that up. Alright, looks good. Interchangeable, just very important. Yep. There we go. And here's what we all were hoping to see. Okay. This is obviously really useful. You guys are traveling. It's good. Let's see what else we got. That's it. And a charger. So you can charge 2 things. That's perfect. Feels good. I don't like when chargers are too light in weight. That's usually not a good sign, believe it or not. Especially if it's gonna be something more international. You want it to be a little bit heavier than the norm. Okay, so now that we took everything, we can have a close look. That's good, snapping. Obviously this will come in handy. Again, it's something to travel with, right? So we got our light right there. Details. This is, I know most of you are looking exactly for these details. Yep, looks great. 2 USB ports, always useful. Although this is an unboxing video, not a review just yet, always do a review after a few months of use. This feels actually pretty good. Like, it feels a bit heavy, so that's a good thing. Okay, again, for chargers, that's a good thing. Now let's take a look at these guys, how to put them up here. So I want to set these guys up. Let's slide them here. Slide them. There we go. Oh, that was easy. Slide it out. Slide this one on. And there we go. Okay, that's pretty neat. Yeah, you can slide different things. And this should work just fine. Alright. So again, this was just a quick unboxing for you guys to see. Obviously, you guys don't need to use these if you don't need them. If you're in the US, just plug it in like so. This will work just fine. If you're in Europe somewhere, then there we go. You guys will be using this for sure. They snap in pretty good. Feels pretty good again. It comes with your manuals right there. And that's it. Anyways guys, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.